Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best open-air PC cases that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Cooler Master Box NR600. Now we're into the super affordable territory. Less than $90 is a bargain for a decent chassis from a reputable brand such as Cooler Master. The Cooler Master Box NR600 may be the most affordable PC case in our collection, but it's worth considering if you want a minimalist design and a front mesh panel. It's an understated look but maintains a premium presence with the use of aluminum colors. You can install up to 3 120mm fans on the front panel, a further 2 120mm or 140mm on the top panel, as well as a single 120mm blower on the rear panel. 2 fans are pre-installed and ready to go. For radiators, 360mm is supported up front and 280mm on the top panel, which is more than enough for modern processors. Moving on at number 4, we have NZXT H5 Flow. Yet another NZXT case is on your list here, and it's the NZXT H5 Flow. This new generation of mid-tower cases from the company takes everything that made the H510 series so good and further enhances everything else to make an amazing chassis. This Flow version of the NZXT H5 case is perfect for those seeking a premium-looking chassis with a gorgeous design and clean aesthetic. The front panel is perforated with hundreds of small holes with 2 140mm fans behind it. The front panel can also take up to a 280mm radiator for maximum thermal performance with an alloy. The top panel can take a 240mm radiator with 2 120mm fans. Finally, the rear and bottom can hold one 120mm fan each, for a total of 6. A stunning large tempered glass panel on the left side showcases all your internal components. At number 3, we have Corsair 7000D Airflow. Corsair makes numerous cases and its catalog is vast, but the Corsair 7000D Airflow is our personal favorite for maximizing thermal performance. As the name may suggest, it's an airflow-focused variant of the standard Corsair 7000X full tower case. It's designed with enthusiasts in mind and you can expect to pay a small fortune for the luxury, clocking in at more than $200. It's the largest chassis in this collection, so you're getting more case for your money. You can install 4 120mm or 3 140mm fans on the front panel, a further 4 more 120mm fans on the side panel, 3 120mm or 140mm fans on the top panel, and a 120mm or 140mm blower on the rear panel. It's a similar story with radiators as a 480mm can be installed up front, a 360mm radiator up top, and a 120mm on the back. You can easily build a custom water cooling loop inside this thing. At number 2, we have Fractal Design Meshify C. What's the difference between the Meshify 2 Compact and Meshify C? You can consider the Meshify C a more affordable version of the Meshify 2 Compact. In fact, this is one of the most affordable cases in this collection, but that's not to say it's a bad chassis. It's far from it with excellent airflow, aesthetics, and features. Just like the other Fractal design case, the Meshify C also comes with a large mesh panel up front for maximizing thermal performance. With a total of 3 fans already inside the Meshify C, it's pretty much good to go unless you're using the most powerful components on the market. A further 2 120mm fans can be installed on the top panel and a single 120mm blower on the bottom panel for a total of 6 fans. And finally at number 1. Lian Li Lancool 205mm Mesh. The Lian Li Lancool 205mm Mesh is the best mini ITX PC case with a large front-facing mesh panel. When looking around for a small form factor case, it's important to consider airflow since these cases usually tend to have fewer fans and radiator mounts, restricting the amount of air that can be pushed and pulled through the case. It's a compact chassis, but you can get away with installing a micro ATX motherboard inside, opening up a few more expansion options compared to mini ITX boards. Lian Li pre-installs two 140mm ARGB fans in the factory, allowing some light to emanate through the chassis as well as pulling in plenty of cool air. A further 3 fans can be installed, 2 up top and 1 in the rear, which should be enough for even more powerful gaming PC builds. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.